Hello guys, today we are going to discuss a Millman's theorem. So according to Millman's theorem, any number of parallel voltages that can be reduced to 1. Any number of parallel voltage sources can be reduced to 1. Now according to Millman theorem, we can reduce this circuit into a equivalent voltage source and equivalent resistance. So all these voltage sources can be reduced to a single voltage source. So let's solve this circuit. So in the first step, what we are going to do, we are going to find the equivalent potential or equivalent voltage source. So for this we are going to apply a simple equation. So we will just modify this equation to and then we will write this equation like this. So this is our basic equation to find a equivalent voltage for Millman equivalent theorem. So let's start to solve this equation. So in this equation, so we have I1, I2 and I3, and now divide by R1 plus 1 or R2 divide by 1 or R3. Now let's solve all these terms. So 10 divided by 5 minus, so we put a minus sign because these voltage sources polarities are in opposite direction. So now when we calculate all these, it's equal to 2 ampere numerator and denominator with a 5s, so which is equal to 2.105 volt. Now we found the first term and we are going to find the second term of the Millman equivalent circuit. So for the second term, which is a resistance, now which is actually equal to 1 over R1, R2 and 1 over R3. Now which is actually equal to 0.95 s. Now R equivalent is actually equal to 1.053 ohm. So we already found two terms of the Millman theorem. So our final circuit will look like so this is our final circuit, R equivalent and E equivalent. So we can easily find the IL current, which is the load current. So IL current can be easily find. So V is actually 2.105 and we have two resistance 1.053 and 3 ohm. So when we calculate, this is actually equal to 0.519 ampere. Now actually if we are going to find the voltage drop across the load is actually equal to IL and RL and 0.519 cross 3, which is actually equal to 0.57 volt. So according to Millman theorem, we can convert a parallel voltage sources to a single voltage source with a resistance. So this is the end of the lecture. Thank you for watching.